Yeah, today's big news involves Kraft Heinz products. And you think about two of their most popular ones. Think about this. This ketchup has been around for 150 years and has always had natural coloring. That hasn't changed. Then you think of mac and cheese, that college staple. Well, that's had natural coloring since 2016. But here's what's changing. Products like these, we're talking Jell-O, Crystal Light, Mio, Kool-Aid, even marshmallows. So what happens is when you take a closer look at the labels, you see the color we're talking about. We're talking about red 40 in something like Kool-Aid, the same thing with Jell-O. Even the marshmallows that are white, if you flip them around and take a look at the label, you see they have blue dye in them. Yeah, blue dye, and that's what's going away as well. Now, all of these changes are part of an ongoing trend. Consumer demand for natural food, that's been on the rise over the past couple of decades, and this latest move by Kraft Heinz follows pressure from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for companies across the food industry to cut down on artificial dyes. You might remember the FDA in April announced a plan to get rid of synthetic dyes by the end of next year.
Well, I mean, the ongoing trend would be to what the FDA is trying to do is to eliminate petroleum-based food dyes. Certain things that are associated with either carcinogens or irritation in the stomach or hypersensitivity, or one of them specifically related to potential genetic changes. So it's trying to basically make more natural dyes that make the food industry's products more attractive.
The North American president of Kraft Heinz says today's news is part of an ongoing change for the company, saying in a statement, the vast majority of our products use natural or no colors, and we've been on a journey to reduce our use of FD and C colors across the remainder of our portfolio. Okay, so what's the timeline? Well, Kraft Heinz says the food dye will be out of their products by 2027, and they will not add any new products that have those sort of ingredients in them. But certainly some big changes for the type of foods that have been in our kitchens for a really long time.